Welcome, ladies and gentlemen, South Africans, Africans, and the whole world. This is Uppercut Podcast, where you get into the ring, but your opinion might not make it out because you're reigning, defending, undisputed, #1 educational speaker in the whole world. Is your host with the most. Bafethu, thank you very much again. Ngizohlezi ngisho lento ukuthi ngibonge ama-subscribers, abantu ababalulekile, abantu abasibukelayo, abantu abahamba nathi. You know, bafethu ngingakayi kude, we are all spiritual in the world, and I'm very much sure ukuthi siyavumelana ngaleyo nto, yabo, ukuthi si-spiritual bafethu. So sidaliwe uNkulunkulu, we have our creators. The world have its creator. People have their creators. Animals have their creators. Everything that you see in the world, including those that we create as human being now. Siya create imoto, siya create ama-aeroplane, siya create ama-light, siya create ama-camera, kuya create-wa iy'tulo. It shows ukuthi we are hardwired noNkulunkulu. So makuzoba nabantu abasirobha ngoNkulunkulu, abantu abasibulala ngoNkulunkulu, abantu abasihluphekisa in the name of God. Come on, guys. We won't tolerate that.
We shouldn't.
Never, never, never. Kunabantu namhlanje bafethu abazibiza abantu bakaNkulunkulu, men of God, hey, women of God, hey, mara izinto zenzayo akusizo, siyazibona mos. Izinto zenzayo ukuthi akusizo. Ukhuluma ngomuphi uGod? Yabo? Why abafundisi bafethu nisenza kanje? Why niyenza umphakathi kanje bafethu? Because you know ukuthi abantu ba vulnerable. Abantu, they are scared to go to hell. Abantu, they are scared ukuthi hey, once you say Jesus, yonke into abantu bayatatazela, because you know ukuthi people are sinners. I said this before. Yabona, we were born in the sin. Yabona, that is why ngihlezi ngisho ngithi every generation has to blame the one before. Yabo, so abafundisi, into engidina kakhulu ngabafundisi, ngane bafundisi, ngicela nipakelane na nibheke indaba zenu nazi. Into engikwatisa kakhulu ngabafundisi ukuthi nilandelwa abantu abalungile, good people from good communities. Yabo, bafuna uNkulunkulu, abantu balungile, inhliziyo zabo bayazazi ukuthi okay, right, they want to repent and stuff, and abantu bayagula bafuna ukuphola. Yabo, and ngoba bafuna ukupholiswa ngegama likaNkulunkulu, ngegama likaJesu Christ, wena you stand in the way, wena so i-middleman, wena abantu bakulekele before babona uJesu, before bazi uNkulunkulu baze kuwe, and then ubeka itende lapha, or you build some building ukuthi abantu baye lapha without going there ukuthi bayobona uNkulunkulu ngeke bambone. Ibuyaphi leyo nto? Wena umfundisi awuyi emikhukhwini, ezindlini zalabantu la uzobona inhlopheko nenkinga khona, awuyi la. Yabo, niyezwa bafethu abantu abalungile abaphelele esontweni, imali zabo bazise esontweni ngenxa yokuthi bayabelieve wena umfundisi, simply because you said you are a man of God, simply because you are always saying in the name of Jesus. Why nisirobha ngalamagama bafethu? Why nizenza botsotsi ngalamagama lawo? Nazi kahle ukuthi kwenzakalani emhlabeni, nithatha advantage yegolane nina abantu abagolayo. Uke wabona apho umfundisi ayothwala? Don't you have enough power to heal people? Don't you have enough power to pray for people? Yabo, awunayo ipower, uzuyofuna ipower somewhere wena ukubonisa ukuthi no, you are not following a real God, our God, the creator. You are not. You can't go and seek for other powers from someone. uNkulunkulu uyasikhuza uthi singabothandaza uNkulunkulu ngaphansi kwamanzi, phezu kwamanzi, eintabeni noma kokuphi nasemanzini. Athi ungathandazi ithombe uNkulunkulu, mara nina nisibekela ithombe nisitshela ukuthi yenza boJesus. nisibekela ithombe ne naku ZCC nako sibona ithombe abafundisi mawubheka igigaba zabo ziyaphuma and unfortunately labantu nabo mfethu maseziphumile igigaba zabo ne abantu seba attached too much to umfundisi they believe uyangithola in miracles because people are pretending to look for God mfethu although they look for miracles. That is why they are calling blessings miracles. Ama miracles blessings. Bavayisa vese izinto abantu. Yabona because nabo abantu ba vulnerable ba desperate. Abantu bathukile mfowethu. Yabona and a good people. Abantu abangazazi ukuthi bafike kanjani in the sea. We understand mfowethu. Abantu abangazazi ukuthi bafike kanjani in the sea. Bazithola bayasifila plus spiritual you can feel when you are in the raw because you know when you are in the raw labafundisi bayazi into abayenzayo ebusuku mfethu bangena phansi kweyifutho mfethu baya kule inyanga lezi bazicriticizeayo those traditional healers that abazicriticizeayo abafundisi mfethu that they call themselves Christians bayaya ebusuku la bayaya la why bayenza abantu kanje mfethu uNkulunkulu uthini manje yenza abantu kanje bafethu abantu abananex ngapha inyanga you understand ngapha inyanga traditional healers amasangoma they claiming to have powers to heal people to solve problems mari problems azisolveki mfethu kwenze njani zingasolveki ukhona wena inyanga angithi uthwasile angithi unesiphiwo wena manje inkinga zikhona from ekasi lakho zikhona inkinga okusala ni busy la kuma TikTok yabona inyanga sezizathe laphi manje ama traditional healer kuma TikTok do you think ancestors can answer you through that come on when you got your powers from somewhere when that is why you'll always say idlozi lami idlozi engihamba nalo that is not our ancestors sis it's your ancestor we one litlo shwale yahlame bafethu bazofa bakhamisile these people yangithola because mfethu they know ukuthi baqamba manga ngama ancestors nango God they are lying mfethu umuntu ugqoka ivest emhlophe umuntu agqoke lendwango le nenyoka or ene lion emuva uyabona yasithusa sekafaka ibahanyana sekazitshela ukuthi yena uyinyanga uthwasa sobani ubani othe uyathwasa ubani now I respect everyone bafethu I'm talking here about the Fong Kongs uyazazi umuntu engikhuluma naye iFong Kong leyazazi mfethu we don't need to point somebody plus bona bayathosa ngama lightning angasuka angishaya nge lightning lo ngithi ngiyapepereza yangithola yeah angasuka angishaya nge lightning mina bafethu no angenisukele mina angikhomba umuntu ukuthi u wrong or right umuntu uyazazi into ayenzayo umuntu uyazi la athwase khona umuntu uyazazi la athwasiswe khona you know my brother there are people are lying too much abantu that is why bengithi our problems mfethu we made them for ourselves we made them ourselves hence we cry foul right now umuntu khona ukuye clinic mfethu afike akhuluma amanga kubo doctor they're gonna lie there I doctor athi angibhemi I doctor uyaphe athi angibhemi manje I doctor izokupholisa kanjani okhuluma amanga ukuthi kubhlungu la wena ulokuthi la and I doctor le mayithi man la angitholi next engayenza ukuthi kube buhlungu kubhlungu khona la iyahamba le pain lonke le dolo le hayi khona uyazi inkinga yakho wena uphuza amapilisi kanje uyazi you shouldn't yabo kwesinye isikhathi vele bomela uphuza amapilisi but uyenzile wena lenkinga osilahlele abanye bakhuziwe mfethu like we were criminals sikhuziwe eqala bafethu uyangithola namhlanje sikhalifa no take accountability my brother uyangithola so our traditional healers mfethu ngapha mfethu okay bakhona ngiyanivuma yabona plus mina ngeke ngijudge I'm not God uyangithola mfethu and I'm not an ancestor uyangithola but naye enye into mfethu khona manje few weeks ago bekunama accident anzima abantwana kufa abantwana bonke esikolo ebhasini lesikolo nyunyinyi uyabona yonke leyo nto mfethu ne okay kunama rumors manje athi hey la ayikhona kunekushaya amanzi la in lezo zinto lezo zibhaya those instances my brother are too many people are dying in groups uzozwa sekwathi hayi bathwele ngayi baphuza amagazi in mina ngithi le inyanga the good nyangas manje. Where are they?
Yes.
Uzongitshela ukuthi lapha evala kunama prophet aba right that they should have prophesy ukuthi hey bafethu kuzoba ne accident yabantwana besikole. Ayikho leyo prophet leyo. The whole val amazing. Mara mawungaya lapha uzobona amasonto amaningi nabo profeta nabofundisi nabathandazi bazibiza ngamagama bafaka amaflecha orange green njani iphambano mfowethu. Yabona they claiming to be good, they claiming to be bathunywa uNkulunkulu, bathunywa ama ancestor. Manje why lezi zinto lezi zenzakala bafethu? Bengeke zenzakale lezi zinto kube labantu bathunywa ama ancestor uNkulunkulu kamampela mfowethu, or they are waiting for money to come and pay them because they can solve a problem. Khona that's a lie. uNkulunkulu akayenza kanjalo. Leso sipho sakho sis, leso sipho sakho gogo mahlala kuphi asikho. Mina noma ngangishanga like nginganandaba nawe mina. Mina ngithwale soNkulunkulu. Enhle kahle thing is introduce la. Because bazoqabanga ukuthi mhlambe I'm just crazy. Nake ngwana hloya abadini ngumntwana wekhanda lamadlozi. I'm the son of the head of the ancestors. That is why I'm up a #1 educational speaker in the whole world. And ngumntwana wekhanda lamadlozi awama amadlozi. Namadlozi wase Africa, namadlozi wase South Africa, namadlozi omhlaba wonke. Mina I can speak solution to your life. Ngicela ukhuzeke. Nina amafonkong as long as azi ukuthi umfonkong umfundisi, umfonkong onyanga, umfonkong weprofet, umfonkong wesithunywa. Uyazi ukuthi awuthunywa ngoNkulunkulu. Mina ngathi jika la. Because uzosola. Yini la benefani khamisile uthi uyaqolisa. Ngibizeleni uApha. Bathi uthi ngibizeleni uA. Gone. I'm telling you my brother. Gone. Uyangithola? Abanye bayathwala abantu ukubonisa ukuthi abantu ba desperate mfethu. Abantu babonile ukuthi hayi inyanga zamafonkong lapha. Abasizi. They went from pillar to post. That is why manje abantu ukubonisa ukuthi they want miracle instead of blessings. Bayahamba bayothwala mfethu. Maqedwe ukuthwala uqabanga ukuthi uzodla kamnandi wena. Ngakukhule uthi makumele uretire udlele imali. Usobe sokhala uvela ama TV la uthi ngifuna usizo. Uyangithola mfethu. Of which lesikhathi kube lento imsebenzele bezobulala abantu lento. Le engasebenzanga. Azoqela usizo ukuthi manje idla yena. Uyangiunderstand? Kube ihambe kamnandi. Bengeke lo muntu akhuluma ukuthi ufuna usizo. Kusho ukuthi people will be dying. Suffering because of you. Abantu baloko bathi hey nginamabhadi kanti wena uchitha something. Unyathelisa something. Banyatheliseni bafethu. Sinyatheliseni shine ngama lightning kulungile. But one day uNkulunkulu uzosilwela because nelwa ngegama lakhe. That's where you're wrong. That's where you're wrong. Nelwa ngegama la kaNkulunkulu of which anenza izinto za kaNkulunkulu. Why ningakhulumi ukuthi ngegama la lo muntu enimthandazayo? Why ningakhulumi lento? And the worst part my brother, these people are using God's things. Lezo inyoka lezo imfene lezo, lawo magundwana awakaNkulunkulu. I'm telling you, including themselves. Bona abantu bakaNkulunkulu. Mabaqeda sebazozenza boclever ngenxa ye desperation, ngenxa ye power prior. You have power from God. Angithi sasho ukuthi wonke umuntu uzalwe na something. Why don't you use that? Why don't you are criminal as well? You are criminal as well. As for nina abantu abahamba kulabantu bafethu. Please bafethu, khalani lokunazi ukuthi nazenza. No one is sending you there. But when just take a little back, a little side back, sit back, and then umuntu aqabanga umuntu azifile. Nina ama powers ungazithandazela emkhukhwini wakho mama. uNkulunkulu uzokuzwa, uNkulunkulu akadingi middleman. Ayikho lento leyo ukuthi kumele siyele before siya kuNkulunkulu. Ayikho, that's bullshit.
God is always with you.
Yeah. Uyangithola wena une glory yakho wena thandaza uNkulunkulu uzokuzwa and imithandazo yakho ipowerful than yalabantu abakuthandazisayo. Because sometimes abantu bangakuthandazela into ongayifuni or into ongayinidi at that time. Uyangithola? Yeah. So kungcono wena uzithandazela uzikhulumele noNkulunkulu, uNkulunkulu wakho. Sonke umunye nomunye noNkulunkulu and uNkulunkulu sonke wethu, and if you use God's ways, I'm telling you, my brother, nothing is gonna beat you. Yeah, nothing is gonna beat you. Abantu bazokusiza noma ungalamba ungayi ukufuna usizo esontweni. Sirojwa abafana abancane namhlanje mfethu ngama magician style. Fire pa. Hey, fire, ukhiphe uhlisa abantu inyoka fire pa. Hey, doom. You're gonna be blind. I'm telling you, you'll be crying. Uzoba ngekho lo pastor wakho. Uzoba ngekho lo pastor wakho. Yabo, nabantwana abancane manje mfethu sekuyathwasiwa. Mina ngifuna ukwazi ukuthi uthwasiswa ubani othe wena. Uzothwasa. Ubani planted the seed. Uzothwasa. Maybe uphuze something nje ikwenza delusional.
Perhaps.
Yangithola. Ma uyothwasa but no one will tell you. No one will show you. Even the traditional healer that is gonna lead you to the way because they are there to lead. People abatwasai. They are just there to lead, my brother. To guide this person. You understand? I'm comforted. As the road get tougher now, they must comfort this person.
Because they've been through the same road.
Exactly, they've been there, my brother. So they are there for that. Hayi ukuthi yena ngeke atshele lo muntu ukuthi hey kumele uyenzeni ayokha indawo la kuphi umuthi kuphi or what is he or she gonna azoyenza like to specialize with. Yes. Because you specialize put it up. I'm telling you, you specialize. Ngeke uphiwe konke uyi-one man abantu baningi. Ngeke uphiwe konke uyi-one mfethu. Angithola lento le. uNkulunkulu mningi mfethu. Mningi. Yangithola. Even nabo doctor la esibhedlela ngithi you know they are specialists. Ithi ngokutshela ngenyanga ezothi yona inomuthi wezifo zonke. Ayikho lo dodo womuthi wezifo zonke. Abanye bona le inyanga ezinye ezigqwele labathandazi laba profeta ngoba amanye amasiki my brother awafuni inyanga yesinto.
They need a prophet.
They need a prophet. Yangithola nempilo zethu going forward thina bodakhi kahle kahle mfethu we have to hlola, we have to consult. Let's say maybe every month, every 2 months, consult ukuthi your life, how is it standing? You understand up top. Not ukuthi wena uyofuna amandla, uyofuna indoda, uyofuna umfazi. Uyofuna ilakhi. Kumuntu ombonayo ukuthi akana lakhi, uyahlupheka nendumba yakhe yakutshela. Ukuthi uyahlupheka lo muntu. Yangithola. Wena uyahamba uyala kulo muntu uyofuna ini. Come on bafethu. Asingayenzi lento akube noNkulunkulu bhekani la kunabantu uNkulunkulu lama blame esiwathathayo sithi sowalahlela kuye amaningi akawathatha uNkulunkulu uyabona ukuthi hala ukhalela ubala lo uyabheda lo phela uthe ilifa lezithutha lezodliwa abahlakaniphileyo so izithutha sekuphi abahlakaniphileyo bakuphi it's your choice when if Moses was a shepherd and there was sheep ne lezo Moses askatele you choose to be whether you are a sheep or you are Moses. You choose. Yekani lezinto bafethu bayaphela abantu hlanganani nina the good guys abafundisi aba right ngicabanga ukuthi mfethu umkhonazi khona umkhonazi kuabafundisi owaziyo ukuthi yena akayenze wrong labanye abafundisi bayenza right hlanganani nibakhiphe nibaningi mesibabone yini niyabasaba. Come on. Mabasatshwa yini nina niphiwe uNkulunkulu isipho ngeqiniso. Kusho ukuthi nithi uNkulunkulu uyabasaba labantu.
Basically.
The God, the good cannot be scared of bad. Hayi bayangihlaza labo. Abagood. Nginikwatele bobabi inyanga zami, abaprofeti, abathandazi bami, right. Abongco, abayenza into abayaziyo. Ningiphoqa nje endaweni ewa. You just disappoint me there. Ngokuthi anisize. Sishawa ngama lightning la abantu bayathakathwa la. Nina nifuna imali ukuthi nisizwe. uNkulunkulu uzompatala bafethu. Amadlozi azonipatala bafethu. And abahlukane nathi labantu ngicela nisize abantwana babantu bangasaphinde bashona kanje. Bangasaphinde bashona kanje bafethu. Asikwazi kuyilela, asikwazi kwenza ama lightning, asikwazi kwenza ukuphana ngamagundwana. Asikwazi kwenza iHIV. Asikwazi kwenza iTB njengalabantu mabayenza basiphathisa inyawo wena uthwele lokuthi uyinyanga lapha but abantu ubaphathisa inyawo yabagolisa uyinyanga kanjani amadlozi agolesanayo hayi ungazosiropa sisi ungazosiropa bhuti uzona ngamagama enisibiza ngawo nje amagama okuthusa abogogo mahleka kufiwe gogo mahleka kufiwe gogo nase abogogo ebusuku kuphela yini le lamagama wenu uyezwa ukuthi akusamadlozi abanikele izinto bafethu ngiyanitshela mina I am the #1 educational speaker whether you like it or not. I'm gonna tell you mina bafethu umthandazi thandaza mfethu angithandazele mina esibonga uthandaza izinto ezimbi ngami zizoshaya abantwana bakho mfundisi barobha abantu bhuti isikhathi sisakuvumela barobhe traditional healer sangoma wena osithusayo ngebaga asithuse mfethu one by one ilanga leno liyaphela bafethu labantu enibathandazelayo labantu abanika imali zabo bafethu ba desperate balungile labantu izwa noma baqola mfethu izwa noma baqola bayakhala labantu only to find kusasa sekuyavela ukuthi umfundisi so umfundisi urape abantwana umfundisi udlaba abafazi umfundisi udla imali kanjani mara umfundisi uke wawuyenza umsebenzi abantu basuthi na abantu abasahlupheki na umsebenzi wobufundisi mfethu to lead people to help people hayi ukuthi uzoqalisa abantu esontweni phuma usiza abantu ubona abantu bayahlupheka Jesus went on mos aloka move ika bona waye bangamuvi basivalele esontweni waye bangamuvi basivalele esontweni lo muntu lo othi wena uzomthe oh thank you Jesus ulokwazi ukuthi wena nama powers behind you are more than Jesus wena you are more than Jesus wenza ama miracle wena ake nimene kancane man siyazi uJesu wena wayenzile ama miracle bafethu but mingazeli ngama miracle la ezangama fact umfundisi umuntu kaNkulunkulu sifuna iqiniso yamthola sifuna iqiniso uNkulunkulu khona manje sishashawe intwana ezincane mfethu zama 23 years esidlisa abantu inyoka intwana encane ubona ukuthi leyo esikoleni sokumagician nje mayibuya sekwazi ukubilisa amanzi ngesikelemu sakhe sikayenza phambi kwe-congregation sekavula isonto hayi come on bafethu nani sebenzisa nama instinct wenu bafethu congregation you can't be robbed bafethu ngabantwana bakaNkulunkulu bafethu ngabantwana bamadlozi bafethu ngeke nezorojwa labantu emakhona into off ukwazi ukuthi ikhona ungafuni ukwazi ukuthi yini le wrong off yini le that will waste your time and will frustrate you ugcina uvuma into ongayazi uyangithola ayisebenzi lento bafethu before ngivala my brother there is this radio station Lesedi FM
okay
uyangithola is the biggest station mfethu uyangithola ngengezwe khona abanye lapha yana kule radio ngiyazi ukuthi abantu bathenga isikhathi la I know even nathi sizosithenga right yeah abantu bathenga isikhathi la ukuthi ku advertise and stuff but bafethu please that ethusho mtawu ake nibhekene abantu enibathengisela isikhathi shebamba batho bele ba rekisetsana nako gore batla ka nnete na ene batho bao letse gore ba tlo rekisetsa batho ba lona the listeners of the radio station if you love them so much you might as well protect them kumele nisiprotect yonke into ethengiswa ku radio bafethu akunakuthi kusasa nina nizozikhipha nithi hayi thina bekuthenga isikhathi kusho ukuthi ni cruel nani because labantu laba lento le ethengiswa ku show yaka Thuso Mtaung or yaka Sibanibani yaka Thwasa Sipatisoko yangithola ithengiswa la ngizoyithenga ngoba ngithanda uSipatisoko and I have a similar problem abantu banenkinga mfethu le clever ziyazi mfethu ukuthi abantu banenkinga bona bathatha imali for the radio station right laba thina siyathenga eradioweni kuba isise radio kuba ngithenga
exactly
yabona abafethu nelemaza abantu nelemaza abantu ukhona umuntu wezifo umuthi wezifo sonke muzwe la Mosathi umamela ibhola ndoda kuLesedi FM so uzwa pa Muriana wadinto kawuvela Muriana wamanala Muriana wamazimba Muriana wadinsi Muriana waditedu ay man ke maka papa watseba man Muriana wadilaki laki ya ukhutlisa mosadi ya ile wa lekamele ukhutlisa mosadi ka Muriana why hobane mosadi ke lerato ke la modimo modimo tla mkhutlisa if ang tsamaile ka phoso and if not least ke modimo phelong ba ka mfethu never tsamaya mfethu unless wena o ya ngakeng ya hao ya Fonkong e tlo shapa ka Moriana wa ile tsa so le batho don't do that bafethu don't do that le rekisa meriana go tshore nna ke batlo tseba if ba re le motho we se fosonke Brian ne go tshwe ukuthi bo thuso mtaung abakuli bona la the presenters there at the FM are cool. No, ke bua ka di radio station ka fela. I'm told whereby they must check my brother who they are selling their time to mfowethu man. Ba ska tlo rekisetsa skebe kwa nako bana ba rekisetsa batho ba right mfowethu. Batho ba lokile mfowethu batho ba kula samampela mfowethu. We have problems. Wabona motho a tlo go se fasong lona ko radio station hanga tlo checka mo ha ona motho ona dipidisi. It should be like that. If Diamond well ale right le mo checkile wa ile ona le sa reke moriana hae kamele e be a nna di problem ha re ka tla ra tlotsa ma di radio station tse mfe ke a o chaela phaya o tlo thola ba kula na ke di ablate ke ditso ke re mara motho ke yo ka motho we se fosong na umuntu ka motho we se fosong
Something is not adding up.
Something ba fetale so ke kopa di radio stations ka ofela ba fetho including let's say the FM because I listen to it very too much yeah nane ke rata Chomalizing boy a free soul yeah a leader of some sort yabona o bona my brother di bolong so sa tsamayo no chomane le ena na le stick sa hae batho ba ile ba kwata chomane a sa bui ko radio including myself yeah Chomalizing boy a tsamale Alex Alex tsipa we were talking soccer and the chomano na chwa ga o na le pelonyana tlo wa polo because people ba polo ba bua ba lanzana and stuff with great spirit with competition we are just fighting for breaking rights right there wa bona ese motho tlo a khole no khola go le pola o sontso bona ra o apilong so ba fetwa I hope bontate thuso ba tla ilokisa and when that thuso moholo South Africa ona mesebetsi kopa o tswe setulong se ntate o go kenye batho ba bama ka po dilemo tsa a di so dumele ntate go tlo wena a tlo anda le mmema mtauma a ke le tloe plus mmema mtaung mo kokotlo wa yo sphaka ke o pepile di radio station se ka ofela liwane mon ba fethu come on man ntate thuso ke nako ya hao ya go tlo wena ntate ke nako ya hao mogena ka tswa bana ba kena o na le di taxi o reach galo tshwagela dipapa galo tshwagela everything wa bona ntse go support le bo mmentse ba support wa bona mara ntate thuso wena jalo ka moruti hona le nthokile ngwa e bua wena wa re wena hona le mogonyana dikatse o tlanka mogonyana monyane o tlanka Smith wa dikatse le mogonyana moholo o tlanka ka kolo ya reverse fihla theola cruiser. You were wrong. I hope all I know you were wrong that the thuso da. Onache o tshoko batla o njetsa ha ke sena tšhelete ke ska lo bona ngwanaka. That's how you put it. People that's how they saw it.
Yes.
Ba batla ka Smith wa dikatse o tshwereng ka letsong a ka tshwara next. Ba ba sile he bana ba. Ha o kata wena wa gutla re ala support bana e le wena o qabantshitseng ka o bua ba fetho I mean number one educational speaker a re ithuteng o bua ntate mtao a go nyatse ntate ka gale o bua o legend go fa di mentlela tsa hao ka o fela tsona mara icon o biased
manela baba
o biased ntate batho ba sotleyang bana ba re ba le ka di family ba nang le bana ba banyane da o di khadile ga o fela o ntse batho ba bana ba bang ba believe hore ha o le monna tlamele o tla ka tšhelete ha o sena tšhelete no kante bana ba hloka time le rona bontata bona wa bona you were wrong there ke gale I know but ke le ka tsho ka tla o jwetsa taba tsa hao so I bile setulong se ntate thuso go kena ba fana ba banyane ke lebe batho khada daso o ska motebela ke a o tseba wena thank you ba fethu ke a leboa ba fethu ha re tshwareng hantle ha re tshepe modimo nthong tsa rona kaofela ba fethu tanko apa number one educational speaker in the whole world. Yes,